Deck Builder Cary is the perfect deck contractor for your needs. We are experts in the industry and can provide you with an affordable, high-quality deck that will last for years to come. Our experienced professionals can handle any repair or replacement job, big or small. We specialize in deck railing and can offer you a variety of different materials and colors to choose from. We are skilled professionals and use water-based coatings to seal decks from the elements and repel mold, mildew, and algae growth.